Hello everyone, my name is Vimal Menon and welcome to my channel. This is my third video that I'll be building and my first video on automation. I've been flaunting on the fact that I want to create some new videos, but I was not getting time. So this time around I'll start making videos, and let's see how that goes. So this is my YouTube channel, and in my YouTube channel I have two videos now. um, First is my introduction video, and the second one is of a game that I love playing. It's called Factorio. So this game is actually very nice because it this actually helped to this game actually work on automating stuff. You build something from scratch. You don't have anything going around. Then you kind of make it better and better by automating it, and that's actually what my idea is over here. So I'll be building a project, and this project would be from the scratch, just from nothing, and I'll be creating an agents or automation that can sort of make it more self-running, right? If you know what I mean. So no one would have to be engaged, or no one would have to drive this. It will automatically run by itself. So I'm planning to use some AI for doing this. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out and what I'm going to build. So I'm going to do everything on the fly, and I'm going to see how that goes, right? So I don't know what I'm going to build also. So let's see what all I'm going to use. So I'll be using maybe DeepSeek AI, and I will also use GitHub so that I can upload my repository. So this is my GitHub repo, and in this GitHub repo I'll be creating a new project, and I'll I'll name this project as automate. Okay, so I'll keep this for now. I'll change the name later if I need this name is not good. And what else? So this description I'll add later. Visibility, let that be public for now. I'll read add me git ignore. I don't know what kind of project this is going to be, so I'll keep this blank, or I won't add any git ignore for now. And for license I won't do anything, and then I'll click on create repository. Great. So we need to set this up now. So let me run these few commands so that I can set up my GitHub project. So for that I'll go to my terminal. This is done. I don't want to add this. Then I want to add a branch. Perfect. And then I'll be adding a remote repository. Okay, perfect. So currently I might have added the GitHub repo to my repository. So let's see how it looks. So if I do git remote v, I could see that remote is being added. I mean to say GitHub repo is being added to my repo. So what I'll do is first I'll create a readme file. So this is what defines the project, and this will show up in the GitHub page when I push it. So we are going to see that in a minute. Okay, so let's do that. So very first thing that I'm going to do is to name this project. So I'll name this automate. automation automation okay automation okay um and I'll be doing something like this so that it is, we know that it is an automation project. So one of the simplest thing that I could do for my project is to um, build a website. Okay, so I'm planning to build a website, and this website will be totally built by AI, and they would be automating themselves to improve on it and to make the website look better. Okay, so let's see how that goes. Building website. Now what else do I need? I would need some social media. So in social media, I believe that mostly people are into X or Twitter. And then what else we have? Do we have? So let's see how we can automate all of this. Then we have a YouTube. So this is being managed by me right now, but we will try to create something that can automate itself, that can create videos. So this is going to be a very big step. So this won't happen in one or two go. This would take a lot of effort. It will happen in many iterations. So let's see how that goes. And then we also need maybe a Reddit. Reddit is, I think, another good place where you can post and we can automate. And yeah, so let's keep this for now. So my idea is I don't want to do anything manually. I want some sort of automation to happen, and this automation could be through some AI or through some script, and that would kind of make our life simple, right? So we decided upon the website name. Now it's very now we need to have some name for the website, right? So that's also important. So we need a name for website. Okay, and what else? Now once we have the name for a website, we want website to do something. So I'm thinking of this website providing providing automation um, to this. So my idea of this website is that they will ask, they can help other companies to automate or to make their life simpler. So but do I mean by automate, right? So many time people been doing a lot of things by themselves, like they do repetitive tasks, menial task or mundane task, which doesn't need much effort. So I feel that there are a lot of things that could be done to make those thing automated. And I feel that if we can build a website that can approach them, and they can ask them if there is a possibility of making them automated, they would, if they feel the value for it, they will definitely go for it. And if we can quote a price for it, if we can give them a good deal, then it will definitely be very good. So this website is about assisting assisting companies with automation. Okay, so so this is my main idea. Now we need to come up with a name for this that can resemble this idea. I mean to say, name of a company and the name of the website. So that's something we have to do. So what else? Um, okay, so this is it for now. So what I'll do is I'll push this. Let's see how it goes. I'll try to push this thing here to my repo. Okay. Okay, this is not saved. Let me cancel this. Let me save it and let me push again. Okay, so we have pushed the main branch now, and we could see what we have mentioned here is out here. Okay, so let me remove this and I'll create something called as version here. So let me know which version have you start following me. So I'll be keeping this as version 0.0 for now. So this is my very initial idea, and we are going to improve on this to make our life to see how we can automate things, right? So sky is the limit, as I would want to say, because there are a lot of things that we can automate. But for now, we will try to automate maybe basic things, and then we'll go to advanced. Okay, so that's about it uh, for this part. Let me push this now again. So this is my very first version, and it is the very beginning of maybe something good. Let's see how that goes. So we are trying to build an automation company, or maybe automation thing that we can help companies to automate, and we need to have presence on the social media, and then we'll see how that goes, right? So this look very interesting. Let me, is it like this? I'm not sure. Okay, let me try this. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, nice. So I'll be using a few AI stuff here. So I'll be using DeepSeek AI, and I'll be using Copilot to build things. Let's see how that goes. Currently, currently I don't know what's the first thing to do, but I feel that building a basic website would be a good idea. So we need to have a way to build a website, and then we'll try using that website to automate stuff, or to pass on the information, right? So there should be a point of contact, or there should be a way where users should be able to reach us. So I think website would be a good way for them to see things and see how it is, right? So I think starting with a website would be a good idea, and then we'll create other social media like Twitter, YouTube, and Reddit, and we'll see how that goes, right? So so very basic website would be like so what define a basic website, right? So very basic website would be like a basic a homepage. So we might need an homepage, and then we might need some sort of contact, and what else? Yeah, and we also need a website. We also need a domain or an email address, right, where they can reach us to uh, to 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 automate stuff, right? So this is their point of contact for us. And what else? Okay, so this is our very first version of it. So maybe let's see how that goes. And this website should be hosted publicly. Publicly. This should be in public so that everyone can access it. And okay, so maybe homepage we can make very simple. We can make just an homepage and an email address where they can reach, right? So this sounds very simple way of handling things for now. We won't make it very complex, but later we can make a lot of other stuff like backend and other stuff. But for now, we will just have a static page, and the static page would kind of work as our card, or as a way of getting in touch with us, right? So that's more or less. So yeah, this looks fine. Let me push it. So I'll keep committing this so that if you guys are interested in seeing how what's the progress, you can see it. So we are building an automation company, and this company would have a website, and this website would just have an home page for now and email address, and this company would be assisting other companies with the automation, right? And we need to have presence on these things, and then we are going to use these social medias to kind of to make our presence more prominent, right? So I hope you guys are and you guys understand what I'm trying to do. So let's see how that goes. I'll put a double tap here. Let's see. Okay. Does that make any difference? Let's see. I am expecting this to be indented. Yeah, this is what I want. Okay. So I'll improve on this more. I'll name this we need a name for our website. Okay, so that's about the idea. Now we need some sort of implementation. So very first thing that I can start with is a basic website. So this website would be very simple. I don't think we need to go fancy with this. We can just have like a basic page with the details, our YouTube channel, what I'm working on right now, and an email address. So we'll build the website first, and then we'll see how that goes. Name for our website. Okay, we will see how that goes. Okay, so so let me make some more changes. I think this is not how what we do. We assist companies with automation. We So I think this is more appropriate, I feel. Okay, let's keep this here. Okay. Okay. So perfect. So this looks more proper. Uh, so we we need to have a website, and this website should define what we do, and then we should also have some sort of project that we have done. So in the website we should have some project reference. So this is something which will take time. So this is going to be a very slow video where I'm going to build everything from the scratch, as you could see. So this is not going to give like we are not going to have maybe a major output or anything like that, which will say like we automated all of these. Maybe or maybe you might see like an full automated project after some videos. So I expect this video to maybe last around 5 to 8 hours. Maybe we will have some basic automation from there. For now this is just a beginning. So I think this would be a good start, and if we could have more project reference, that would mean that companies would have more confidence in us. So it's very necessary that we need to have some project reference. And I know many companies do work in Excel, and they are very much tied to Excel, to the fact that they don't use any application for that. They use Excel, they share Excel, and they work on it. And I feel that that's kind of an old ways. Now we are in AI space, or we are in AI in a place where AI is taking over. So we want to show how powerful things can be, and how we can replace AI with how we can replace this Excel with this automation. And I think many companies would be interested in knowing how they can do it with if you want to automate it, and they want to see how we can automate many projects, how they can automate the projects in the Excel, right? Sorry, I'm all over the place right now. So the main idea what I'm trying to say is, I know many companies use Excel, and Excel is like the old way of doing it, and I believe that automation can be done on many other work that are done by Excel, and this could change the way we do things, right? Okay, so so let me push this now. Okay, perfect. Did I push it? Okay. So let me see how we can do this first. So the first thing that I'll do is I'll build a website first, basic website, and I'll be taking the help of this chat GP or this copilot to build a basic website, and we'll see how that goes. So I'll ask ChatGPT, or not ChatGPT, but Copilot, to create a basic website for me. So let me do that. So you are an experience please build basic website, the static pages. Page. So this is the prompt that I'm writing it for in the Copilot, so that it can build a basic website. Experienced UI developer, please build a website for me with a static page, with a static HTML page, and the website should include home page and about us page. Okay, so this is another page that I feel that is very commonly seen, about us. Okay, perfect. And this website should be public. So you are an experienced UI developer, please build a basic website for me with static HTML pages, and the website should include homepage and about us page. Okay, so I haven't written one of the best script, one of the best prompt, but let's see how that goes. I know this is not going to be very good website, but we have to start somewhere, right? So I think this is a good place to start. So I'll commit this change. Perfect. So it is building up this HTML page, and I think this is very smart of GitHub, that it kind of understood what kind of page I'm looking for, and it has built something up. So let me see how this page looks. How do I do that? Let me open this up in a Finder, and then if I go to this HTML page, wow, nice. So this looks nice for now, and I think this lacks some personal touch. It doesn't have any sort of thing to say that this is my website, or what we are going to do, and what this is about. But this is a very good start, right? So so currently this is on my local system, and I want this to be public. So I'll be working on how to make this public now. So let's see how to go about it. So for now, I'll commit these changes. So many of the people might feel that this is like a very basic thing. This is not going to go anywhere, because this doesn't have any backend. This doesn't have any sort of like a way to expand. They are all static. And this doesn't use any framework either, like any styling framework like Bootstrap or Material UI. But the thing to note here is, we are starting something from the scratch, and we don't want everything to be perfect from the day one. We can start from with basic stuff, and then we can make it more better and better, right? So I'll commit this change, and we will see how it looks. Okay, so we have this index page, about page and style and this.com. Okay, perfect. So I have to stop this for now. In the next session, what I'll do is I'll try to make this website public, right? So I'll name this 001, or maybe one more 0 and 1. So this is very minor version that I'm going to push now. So what we have done is so I'm going to summarize what we have done. So what's done? So what's done is we built a basic website, and I'll also create another one which says to do. And now what we need to do is to host this website. Okay, so nothing fancy here yet. We are building a basic website, and this basic website, I'm going to say we are building a website, and this website is about automation, and we are going to chase companies through some social media or through email, where we will ask them that we will suggest for automation. We'll see if they have anything to automate, and we'll see if we can get some project, right? So what have I written? Basic website. Okay, so very simple. So homepage done, about us done, and now we need an email name. We also need to know the name of the website, right? So this is also very critical for our business. So we'll see how we can use AI to suggest a name for us, and we won't name our website right away. We will be hosting all of these in GitHub repo. We are going to see how we can make this public, and then we'll see how that goes, right? Okay, so that's about it in this video. I have to make this video short for the first time, for the first one, because I have some work to finish. I'll try to make videos once every week. Let's see how that goes. I'll spend maybe half an hour to make these videos, and maybe next time I'll be more prepared, and I'll see how we can do this more better, right? So I hope this is very clear, what our idea is, what we are trying to do, and in the next session we will make this website public. We will see how we can make this website public, and then we are going to also have we are going to have other social media handle, and AI do a lot of work for us, right? So yeah, let's see how that goes. Okay, so thank you for joining, and this is going to be this was the very first version of the thing, the video that I'm going to say this is the very first version, very basic version, but we are going to build on top of this to make it to make this live, and to make this work, right? So thank you for your time, and sorry I have to make this short, and thank you. And I'll provide a link to this in my description, so do visit this and let me know what you guys think of this. And in the next video, when I automate my website, or when I build my website, maybe you can directly visit that website. Okay, so thanks for your time. Have a good day.